Menopause doesn't have to be a crisis. It can be a powerful transformation. And with the right support, you can navigate it with strength and grace. All right, ladies, let's talk menopause. Hot flashes? Oh yeah, 80% of us get them. Mood swings, sleep struggles. You're not alone. Over 60% of women deal with those too. But here's the thing. Menopause is natural, and it doesn't have to feel like a never-ending roller coaster. Imagine breezing through this phase with confidence and balance. Meet Harmonia, your hormone-free, science-backed sidekick for feeling like you again. Packed with powerhouse ingredients, Harmonia is here to help tame those hot flashes and night sweats. Support your sleep like a dream. Boost your mood and dial down irritability. Support your sexual health, because yes, that matters. Keep your vaginal pH and microflora happy and balanced. Harmonia works with your body, not against it, helping you find your groove again. Precision relief for your unique journey. No two women experience menopause the same way, which is why Harmonia offers multi-symptom relief that meets you where you are. At the heart of Harmonia, Estro G100, a clinically backed blend of herbs that helps ease mild hot flashes, night sweats, and vaginal dryness. Yes, please. And let's talk about Saf Serene, a powerful saffron extract proven to lift your mood, support stress relief, and even help with PMS symptoms. Because life doesn't stop just because your hormones are shifting, right? Plus, the most clinically tested probiotics in the game are working behind the scenes to support vaginal health and urinary microflora. Because nobody's got time for UTIs and yeast infections. When your body's in balance, you're unstoppable. Here's why women just like you are loving Harmonia. 3 patented bioactives for real results. Clinically validated ingredients, third-party tested for quality. 100% hormone-free to work with your body's natural rhythms to restore balance. Harmonia studies showed that 93% of women noticed a reduction in hot flashes and night sweats. 87% experienced an improvement in sleep quality. 86% reported being able to manage stress better, and 83% of women noticed an improved mood and felt less irritable. So why not step into this next chapter feeling strong, vibrant, and totally in control? With Harmonia, you've got this. Ready to feel amazing at every stage? Let's take on menopause together. Learn more at isagenix.com.